Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola One Fusion Plus, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, hold power key, and when you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. This will bring up a new window, reboot to safe mode, with asking you, do you want to reboot into safe mode? And this will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Now, it doesn't really say much here, but what it will do is, or what this mode is primarily used for, is testing if, for instance, some application might be causing you some problems. So if your device isn't really booting up correctly or something is malfunctioning, you can put it into safe mode. And if the problem persists, then, well, you can be probably sure that problem is not with application that you have installed, but more with the actual device itself. So let's tap on OK. And wait for the device to boot back up. So as you can see, there's the safe mode on the bottom to signify that the device is indeed in this mode right now. And also, as you can see, certain apps are, like widgets, aren't really working at the moment. So that is how you would put your device into safe mode. And to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key and simply tap on restart. When the device boots back up, it will be back in the normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.